Guess what time it is? It's time to spill the tea with Tiffany. And today we're diving into something really exciting. And that is our incredible CredEvolv Connector Referral Portal. This amazing tool is designed just for you, our fabulous connectors. And with it, you'll have a comprehensive view of each and every one of your referred clients' monthly status right at your fingertips. You'll also have access to individualized monthly success plans crafted by our fantastic nonprofit HUD certified housing and credit counselors. And in the connector portal, you'll also have the ability to view each and every one of your active clients, their accurate mortgage FICO scores, and it'll allow you to celebrate your consumers as they make marked improvement and progress through the program. So many of our connectors will use our monthly progress updates. They'll even take out their cell phone and send a quick video text message to their borrowers when they see that improvement happening and help celebrate their success along the way, which in turn helps keep them top of mind with their clients. It's a simple but yet very powerful way to show that you're still very much engaged and ready to support your client once they reach the finish line. Staying engaged is absolutely key to maintaining a thriving pipeline of opportunities. So the more connected you are with your clients, the more likely they are going to reach out to you when they're ready to take that next big step with their mortgage. So let's chat about what good looks like, what a warm introduction to CredEvolv looks like. Would love to hop on a call with you. I'm looking forward to connecting soon.